Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This week, of course, I have my mom, and on Craft With Us today, we're gonna show you how to turn some of these dollar store little plastic mason jars into a home decor piece. This is very similar to what we did for fall, so if you're interested, go ahead and check out some of our previous videos and you'll see how we did them for fall. So these ones are gonna be Christmas, and we're gonna walk you through how we turn this into something that's really cute to put out for Christmas. Stick with us and we'll show you how we do it. So first thing, we're gonna show you what you're gonna need to do this project. So you're going to need 4 of these little mason jars from the Dollar Tree. And then you're going to need some sort of ribbon. This one is a little bear one that we got at Joann's. And then we also have this one that's like a jute twine rope looking one. And then you're also going to need an assortment of floral picks. These ones we picked up at Joann's.
And they were 60% off too. It was good.
So they're having a big sale going on. So these are some of the ones that we picked up. So we got some poinsettias and some trees with bells, berries, some pine cones, and some more berries. Just kind of a different variety of different things that we picked out. And you're also going to need some variety of paint, whatever color you want to paint your jars. You're also going to need some form of a wire cutter, and you're going to also need a hot glue gun to complete this project. So we're gonna get started and we'll show.
Now we're gonna start painting. We're gonna start taking the lids off on all of them. We have 4, and we're gonna paint them all white. And then we're gonna let it set dry, and then we'll be right back.
Once your jars are painted and dried, then you're going to want to take your ribbon, whatever variety you have, and you're going to wrap your ribbon around your jar and hot glue it in place. So that is what we're gonna do, and we will be right back. Alright guys, so once you have your ribbon on, you should have something that looks kind of like this. We did go ahead and use some braided jute twine and then actual jute twine to cover the lip of the mason jar. And then from there, you can go ahead and start to arrange your picks in any variety that you desire to decorate your jars. So we're gonna do that, and we'll be right back with the final product.
Hey, we are back. And we're so excited. We're going to show you what we did. And they turned out very beautiful.
Alright, so this is one of mine, one of 4. The main difference is I used the lids on the jars as a base on the bottom. I just painted them black. And then I have my arrangement up here, and then we did put some twine to cover the top part of the jars. So mine are pretty much the same as this one. We just used a variety of different picks. So we've got some pine cones, some jingle bells, and some poinsettias.
I put the rope down here, and then I put the ropes all the way around here, and then I put the bows in here, and then we decorate all the flowers and the bells and the poinsettia and pine cones, and the little red ones too. And we had a lot of fun making these. Yeah, they turn out really pretty.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on next week's Christmas craft, and we will see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye!
I know, the light's right there. I'm in jail.
Oh, stop that. This time. So stick along. Blah, 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 blah.
And we have Bear today.
Yeah.
He has to be in there.
And he's here too.
Yeah, he's got to be in there too. He wants to say hello to everybody. He gave Mommy a kiss.
On my nose.
Yeah. Okay, Bear, we got to put you down. We got to do our craft now. Okay?
Hey, what are you doing? Are you mom? Are you the mom now? Yeah. Are you the mom? What are you? You the flowers? Oh, what are you doing, Barry? Oh, don't fall. Don't fall.
Oh, that's what we're back.
Why?
Oh. There.
Mom, is on the break?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Feel good, huh? And that Brittany, she did hers different. Okay, we're good.
Done playing with your pine cones?
Yes, I'm done now. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
That's enough of that.